Happy Father's Day, baby. I love you so much. I hope this day you enjoy and the kids has some surprise and Italia is here. Hi guys, what is today?
Father's Day.
Oh, today, hoy día es el Día del Padre.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, ¿y qué vamos a hacer? What are you doing today?
We're gonna make pancakes.
Are you ready for cooking?
Yeah.
For cooking?
Yeah.
¿Están listos para cocinar?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Tap it and then break it. And you have to.
You can do it.
Well, you have to tap it a little harder. There. Okay. Okay. Don't do that one.
Yeah, it's okay. I hear you. That's okay.
You have to break it.
There we go. Father's Day!
Oh, thank you. Oh, wow.
Oh, oh, yeah. Aquí está tu leche.
No, gracias.
Aquí están tus panqueques. ¡Elishma! Oh, yeah. Be careful. Y tu hot spice.
Oh, thank you.
This is the daddy work. Por acá papá trabaja. Y vamos a ir por aquí. Ajá, okay. Let's go for find a daddy then.
Let's go to his office.
Yeah, I know. Only we go for walk and find it. Okay, hi. Okay. What do you think? Where is daddy?
Oh, he's in his office.
In the bathroom?
In the office.
In the office? Okay, let's go to office. Okay, Dai, come in. Did you know where is the office? Do you remember what is the office?
Yeah, it's over there.
Okay, let's go then. You can walk and show me, okay? Oficina de Daddy, pero Daddy no está en la
So then he's
oficina.
somewhere over there.
Shh, slow and slow. Oh my God, for here. go see daddy. We go see daddy. Daddy's here. Come in, come in, come in. Oh, is he here? He's here. Let's go and find him.
Me llamo papá. Gracias, papá. Hello, papá.
Okay. Yeah? Did you say I love you, daddy? Be careful.
Happy Father's Day.
Ay, muy bien.